Hello, and welcome to this 10-minute metta meditation. Metta, also known as loving kindness meditation, is a gentle practice that cultivates love and compassion for oneself and others. Over time, a regular metta practice can increase your empathy and happiness in the world, allowing you to have a greater capacity for love and compassion for yourself and others. Let's get started. Find a comfortable seated position on a chair or a cushion or lying down, whatever feels best. Make sure you're comfortable. Settle into your space. As you're ready, close your beautiful eyes and take a deep breath in, slowly exhaling, settling into this moment. Begin your practice by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, fill your lungs completely, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. Let any tension in your body begin to melt away as you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically. Now bring your attention to yourself. Visualize yourself right here in your space in this peaceful moment, and silently repeat the following phrases, or simply listen and absorb the meaning of each one, allowing it to resonate in your heart. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Allow these intentions to settle into your heart. Feel the warmth of loving kindness filling you up, surrounding you with a sense of comfort, compassion, and connection. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now bring someone to mind whom you love deeply. Picture this person in your mind's eye. Visualize them happy, smiling, and silently repeat these phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel your heart expand as you send loving kindness to this person. Imagine them receiving your wishes, feeling the warmth and compassion you are sending their way. Now open your arms and hug them. And as you do, notice that they dissolve into you. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now think of someone you know but don't have strong feelings about. Perhaps a colleague or a neighbor or someone in the community. Visualize this person and hold them in your mind's eye. See them smiling and silently repeat, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live with ease. See this person receiving your loving kindness. See their face light up with joy and peace, and feel your heart expand with warmth. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Bring to mind someone now with whom you've had challenges. Of course, it can be challenging, but metta meditation is all about cultivating compassion through the practice. Hold this person in your mind's eye visualizing them, and silently repeat. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Allow yourself to release any negative feelings that come up and replace them with a sense of compassion and understanding. Realize that carrying good feelings can be much easier than carrying the negative ones. Send this person your compassion. Once more, inhaling completely and exhaling. Finally, extend your loving kindness to all beings everywhere. Visualize the entire world. Maybe you might even hug this planet, wrapping your arms all the way around. Hold all beings in your mind and silently repeat, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Feel your heart expanding infinitely. Imagine it encompassing all living beings with this loving kindness. Visualize the space in the center of your chest where your heart resides. And visualize a bright light coming from that space. Allow it to light up your chest cavity, your cells, and the entire space inside of your body until it is shining out. And allow it to shine out into your room, through your entire home, or wherever you might be, and so much that it's now expanding out, outside and beyond. Allow this light of love and deep compassion to shine out into the entire world with so much power, so much love, so much expansion. Take a deep breath in and fill your lungs with positive energy, with love, compassion, empathy. Hold that just for a moment and allow it to expand the tiniest bit more. And then exhale completely. When you feel ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes and open your beautiful eyes. Carry this sense of loving kindness with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to cultivate compassion for yourself and others. Hello, my name is Jeni, and it's been my honor to guide you through this metta meditation today. If you liked what you heard here, please share it with someone you know that might benefit, and come back to this channel on Wednesdays for more mindfulness content. Thank you for the gift of your time. So many blessings and so much love to you. Namaste.